In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer ownership of a Google Calendar. If you need to manage and delegate responsibilities within a team or simply want to hand over the reins of your schedule to a colleague or friend, transferring ownership of a Google Calendar is a straightforward and easy process. Let's walk through it together step by step. First, you'll need to head over to the Google Calendar website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to calendar.google.com. If you haven't already signed in, you'll be prompted to do so upon reaching the page. On the sign-in page, enter your email address to identify your account, then click on the Next button to proceed. The next step involves entering your password. Ensure you type it correctly to avoid any hiccups at this stage. Once you've entered your password, click Next again, and this will log you into your Google Calendar account. Once you're in Google Calendar, look at the list of calendars on the left side of the screen. Find the specific calendar for which you want to transfer ownership. You'll notice 3 vertical dots next to the calendar name. These dots indicate additional options. Click on them. This action will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings and Sharing. This will lead you to a page where you can adjust various settings related to that calendar. Here, focus your attention on the section titled Share with Specific People. Under this heading, you'll need to click on Add People and Groups. A pop-up will appear, allowing you to enter the email address of the person you want to transfer the calendar to. After entering the correct email, you need to establish the appropriate permissions. Click on the Permissions drop-down menu next to the email address you've just entered. From the options available, select Make Changes and Manage Sharing. This option grants the new owner the ability to manage the calendar fully, including altering events and sharing it with others. Once you've set these permissions, your final step involves notifying the other person of these changes. Simply look for the Send button to finalize the sharing settings. By default, this action will send an email invitation to the new owner, informing them that they now have ownership privileges over the calendar you specified. And that's it. You've successfully transferred the ownership of your Google Calendar. By following these steps, you can ensure a smooth transition to your new calendar owner while maintaining your own organization and workflow. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If so, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful guides just like this one. Thanks for watching and have a great day.